In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Freshsales. By the end, you'll be working directly from your inbox to view contacts, add leads, and capture notes and activities without switching tabs. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account you use for work, since the add-on will connect to that mailbox. On the right-hand side of Gmail, you'll see a vertical panel with small icons. At the top of that panel, click the plus icon labeled Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a side window. In the Marketplace search bar, type Freshsales and press Enter. Look for the official Freshsales add-on and open its page. Click Install, then follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. These permissions allow the add-on to read basic email context so it can identify the sender and match them to your CRM records. Approve the prompts to complete installation. When the installation finishes, you'll notice a Freshsales icon added to the right side panel in Gmail. Next, click that Freshsales icon to launch the add-on. You'll be asked to sign in with your Freshsales domain and account. Enter your Freshsales domain exactly as you use it at work, then continue to authenticate. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're signed in, the add-on will connect your inbox with your CRM. Now, open any email conversation. The Freshsales sidebar will automatically pick up the sender's email address and try to match it to an existing contact or lead in your CRM. If it finds a match, you'll see key details right in the sidebar, like contact information and recent activity. If it doesn't find a match, you can add the sender as a new lead or contact directly from that panel. Just fill in the essential fields shown and save. From the same sidebar, you can capture notes about the email or your follow-up plan and log activities like calls, meetings, or tasks. This is perfect for keeping your CRM up to date while the context is fresh. Everything you save here syncs back to Freshsales, so your team has a complete real-time picture without extra data entry later. If you don't see the right-hand panel in Gmail, check for a small arrow near the bottom to expand it. And if the add-on seems inactive, refreshing the Gmail tab often helps. That's it. Open Gmail, get the add-on, search Freshsales, install it, sign in with your Freshsales domain and account, and then use the sidebar to view contacts, add leads, notes, and activities right from your inbox.